Hi, this video tutorial will be know how to use the initial tag. So first we already learned the English tag. Now we put the initial tag. Initial tag is the short code like this. When you speak with a S, M, S, MMS, UK, the short name is the short name like this. SC, CM, Prime Minister for PM, like this. Is all of the short code is the initial tag. If speaker say SMS, it should be initial. Must be initial, all letter will be upper class. Again I say initial, all letter should be upper class. So SMS we put like this initial. If say MS, if speaker say SMS, we'll put the initial. So let's some show the current work they are completed. Play this audio.
เรียบร้อยแล้วค่ะ ทางเราจะมีการส่งลิงก์ชำระเงินไปให้ลูกค้าคือคุณธนาคมวชิรพันธ์ทาง SMS นะคะรบกวนชำระเงินภายในเวลา1
So the SMS it should be initial. So then after initial put we put again the English tag also because this SMS is the letter of the English. That's why first we put the initial. After that we put again the English tag. Remove this one. Again I show you SMS. After put SMS you put the initial. Then we mark again. We put the English tag. That's why we have to put the initial tag. If speaker say hello SMS, then what should I do? Hello is English word, then initial again. So we put the hello SMS. So all should be English tag. I know this. Then SMS we put only single tag the initial. So that is the difference. So hello inside the English tag, then initial will be also be inside the English tag because hello also be English word and SMS also be English word. If the speaker say hello SMS MMS, if say two initial, we put both of one tag, not a single tag. Again we put again mark and put the English tag. So hope you understand how to use the tag. See how they are writing SMS then English tag. The SMS, MMS, any short form should be initial, and initial must be upper class. First upper class letter, then initial tag, then English tag again. So remember this English tag and the native language must be have a one space. If any issue, you will have notification from the right side. Hope you understand how to use the initial tag. Thank you for watching the video.